Hi, today I am going to perform an experiment of candle burning inside a glass. This is a very easy experiment that can be performed by our kids. To see the result, watch the entire video. First, fix a candle on a vessel. Now pour some water on the vessel. I have added some black color to very clearly observe the result. Now take a glass and mark the full height in steps of 20%. Now ignite the candle. Keep the glass inverted on top of the burning candle and watch the result. Isn't this very interesting? Why does the water level rise after the candle stops burning? This is because atmospheric air consists of around 21% oxygen by volume. Candle requires oxygen for burning. So as the candle burns inside the glass, it consumes all the oxygen and thus creates a low pressure inside the glass. This pulls the liquid from outside into the glass and the liquid raises to 21% of the glass volume since the oxygen is fully consumed by the burning candle. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting experiment and DIY projects in future. Thank you.